Justin, we're here in the boardroom for our weekly team meeting. What are we discussing?
We're going to talk about the perks of founding club membership.
Founding club membership. Should I sign up today, first things first?
Absolutely. Do you know how to do that, Chris?
I do. It's as simple as going on our website and paying the equivalent to a 1-month deposit equal to $250. James, what do I get for that?
Well, you get a lot of things.
Name one.
Well, you get VIP access to all of our future events.
David, what's the second thing I get from it?
You get to waive the initiation fee, Chris.
How much would that be?
$1,500.
Wow, that's some savings.
Oh yeah.
Do we have any exciting events coming up that founding members can look forward to?
You could say that again. Coming up, we're going to do a Daytona 500 watch party, followed by Monster Jam at the Lincoln Financial Field. We have 2 suites rented out for all of our VIP members. So sign up now for founding membership and look forward to another black tie at Bridgeport.
And what's even more exciting is that you get a merch bag after you sign up.
A swag pack?
Yes, I said a swag pack, Chris.
It's just that easy.
Just that easy.
Just that easy.
Just that easy.
3, 2, 1.
It's just that easy.